Hi, welcome. Today I'll be teaching Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi literally means victorious breath or victory over your breath. Ujjayi breathing is known to help create heat in the body. The way that will be constraining the back of the throat helps to create heat in the breath as it travels to and from the lungs. Ujjayi is also known to make you feel invigorated and to even help reduce congestion in the nasal passages. So to get started, we'll come into a comfortable seated position of your choice. Hands can fall down to the thighs. And from here, let the eyes fall closed. Start noticing the breath and how the breath feels in the body. See if you can breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Just noticing how it feels without any judgment. And once we're settled in, we'll blink the eyes open and bring one hand in front of your mouth. So from here, we'll pretend our hand is a mirror or a glass and we'll be fogging up the glass. So exhale onto your hand, making that ha sound as if you're fogging up a glass. So with me on 3, 1, 2, 3. Fog up the glass, we'll try that 2 more times. Last time. Let it all out. So from there, you'll feel that constriction happening at the back of your throat as you make that sound. So inhale through the nose, open mouth, exhale, fog up that glass. 2 more times, inhale through the nose, exhale, fog it up. Last time, inhale, exhale, let it go. Perfect. With our next round of breath, we'll set our hand down and then we'll pretend we're fogging up that glass through our nose. So still keeping that constraining feeling at the back of your throat, that sound with the lips gently sealed. So inhaling through the nose, exhale through the nose, make that sound. It should sound like kind of waves in the ocean or Darth Vader or someone in a really heavy sleep. So 2 more times here, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through that nose, make that sound. Inhale through the nose, exhaling through the nose. It should almost feel like a slight vibration at the back of the throat as you're taking your Ujjayi breathing. So as we're taking our Ujjayi, we don't need to have any breath retention. So you can inhale fully and then exhale fully from there. You don't need to hold your breath at the top or bottom like in some other yogic pranayama breathing styles. We'll take a few counts of breathing in our Ujjayi again, maybe with the hand in front of your nose just to feel the warm air coming out of your nose. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose as if you're fogging up that glass. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can take a few more rounds of this Ujjayi breathing to your own rhythm, your own pace, making that noise on your inhales as well as your exhales. It should be a sound that your neighbor would hear, but not necessarily someone across the room. So it should be just loud enough to where you can hear it. And yeah, enjoy your Ujjayi breathing. I'm so happy to have been guiding you through this today, and I hope you have a special practice when you're implementing your Ujjayi with breath to movement in your next yoga class. Thanks for joining.